Hi everyone, I'm Marvel Gossip Girl, and I am doing my first unboxing. I have decided that I'm going to start off with Loot Crate. I get Loot Crate every month, so here we go, Loot Crate. And I was, I received an email that said that there's going to be some Marvel things in here, so I thought, why not? In a couple days I'll be getting the Marvel box, so I figured I would start with Loot Crate. So, hasn't been opened yet, so let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. So, first thing it looks like there's a DC Comics The Joker painted wooden figure, which is kind of cool. This is the Villains 2 box, so everything in here should be villains. Not a big DC fan, but I like the Joker, so that's pretty cool. I'm not quite sure what this is. Better open it all the way. Something's on. Oh, it's an apron. Los Pollos Hermanos. So, that's kind of cool. Little apron. It's got some pockets. Reminds me of work, so let's see if we'll actually wear it. This is what we were excited for. Something Marvel. It says it's Carnage 16-ounce molded mug. Let's see what that is. Well, that's pretty cool. Idea. Carnage. Pretty deep there, 16 ounces, so know what I'll be drinking my tea in later. And then as per usual, you get a little, see that little thing? And it looks like, awesome, something Captain America. Let's see here. Captain America, the first Avenger. It looks like it's going to be something Hydra, so. It really did not want to be opened, but I want it opened. It is a Hydra pen. So, can you see that? That's pretty fucking awesome, man. So, and it has a certificate of authenticity. It's an official prop replica, so that's pretty awesome. And then it comes with the little information booklet. So, the Mega Crate, which would be amazing to win. It shows you the little level ups that you can get now. You can get an accessory, a t-shirt, or socks. Kind of sad I didn't do the socks last one because you get Captain America and a Batman. But so, you can also see the inside of the box. They always make it really kind of fun. And all right, so that looks like that's all that came in this month's Loot Crate. And in a couple days, I should be doing the actual Marvel box. This one's going to be Secret Wars. I'm really super excited about it. So, hope you drop in and see us on that. See you soon.